Hi, this is Dr. DeResti with the Cranial Release Technique, back with another video. And before we get started, if you're watching this on YouTube, would you kindly like, share, and subscribe this video so we can get the word out to more people? So, in our online training program, we cover something called the CRT choice. And one of the most amazing things about the cranial release technique that I wasn't even looking for, but someone else explained this to me, is that it seems that when applying the cranial release technique, in addition to us aligning the cranial bones, restoring the movement, Dr. Sutherland's primary respiratory mechanism, we also actually balance brain hemisphere activity from an electrical standpoint. So we use this poster, and this poster is included in the online training program that we have. And we call it the CRT choice. And I've done this with patients right off the street that have come in complaining of whatever, headaches, back pain, digestive upset, whatever it is that brought them in. And after I, explained the basics of cranial release technique, then I would show them this poster, which I used to have on the wall right by the table. And I would say, hey, Mary, if you had a choice to be figure number 1, figure number 2, or figure number 3, which would you rather be? And just, you can ask from an adult to a child, everyone will say, well, that person, that stick figure in the middle looks like the optimal person, looks like the optimal structure. Of course it is. And what this is showing us is that when the brain hemispheres are balanced, then the muscle tone is balanced, and then the structure is balanced. So I would explain to them, when the brain hemispheres are balanced, then the muscles, the shoulders will be aligned, the pelvis will be aligned, generally the feet will be aligned, there'll be no short leg, there'll be no high pelvis, there'll be no high shoulder. And you're going through life optimized for healing, repairing, and regenerating down here at the bottom. That state of the nervous system, which is controlling the healing of the body, the repairing, the regeneration of new tissue, happens when the brain is balanced. Great. When you look at figure, whether it's figure number 1 or number 3, we'll just use number 1 here. The majority of people that would come in and I would check them, their brain hemispheres would be imbalanced. One hemisphere would be overactive, one hemisphere would be underactive. In this case, the left brain overactivity would cause a right-sided muscular over-tense situation. So excess tension on the right side, because remember, the left brain controls the right body and the right brain controls the left body. So left brain overactive leads to right muscular tension. In this case, you'd see probably a high right shoulder, a high right hip, and a short right leg. And this happens because of stress. So when the left brain becomes overactive, or in the case we use here the word dominant, we'll get right muscular tension, structural imbalance, and now instead of healing, repairing, and regenerating, the nervous system, the system that's controlling all functions in the body, now shifts to one of survive, protect, and defend. And you cannot heal, repair, and regenerate and survive, protect, and defend at the same time. It's one or the other, hence the term the choice. So the nice thing is, when I would explain this to patients and I would get them to understand this, and they would come in figure number 1 or sometimes in figure number 3, the goal always was get them closer to the middle and then keep them there. So how do we do that? Well, with cranial release technique. So they would come in, we would put them on a program to make the body sort of spend more time in this situation, and then we would design a program to keep them there. So, an example, a typical patient would walk in, let's say with rip-roaring low back pain migraine headaches, abdominal upset, hormonal issues, whatever it happened to be, I would evaluate them and I would find that they would be number 1 or number 3. In my experience, no one has ever walked in figure number 2 here, in complete balance. And that's yogi masters, martial arts masters, priests, rabbis, grandmas, children. Everyone is under stress. And remember, we're under constant, chronic, low-level, and sometimes high-level stress every day. Just think of your life, day to day. And if that doesn't get you, you're in gravity. So you're always being pulled down. So we have physical, chemical, emotional stresses that are always chipping away at us. And so this person comes in, we put them on a program, say 2 or 3 times a week, as an example. They come in and now they start sort of holding the correction. They come in here and they're just about balanced every time they come in. Okay, now I see you less often. Maybe that's once a week. Maybe that's once every 2 weeks. Maybe that's once a month. And the program of care is designed on how you, different than me, different than your mother, than your brother, than your sister, than your husband, than your wife, the way you handle stress. And that's different for all of us. So that's the CRT choice. That's the way I built a very stable, referral-based practice based on this poster. Keep in mind, it's a poster that I would put on the wall. It was pretty big. So in the online training program, we cover this in detail. How do you educate a patient? Because if someone understands what I just explained in the last 5 minutes or so, they will be your patient for life with Cranial Release Technique. If you're a patient watching this, which I know a lot of patients do, feel free to visit our website at cranialrelease.com. You can click on the Find a Practitioner button and search for someone. Hopefully we have someone in your area. And if we don't, you might want to recommend this to your chiropractor, to your massage therapist, to your acupuncturist, to your physical therapist, so that they can become trained in the comfort of their home or office. And again, if you are a practitioner and you'd like to learn more about this, you can visit our website also at cranialrelease.com. That's all one word, cranialrelease.com. When you go to the website, you can click on the online training program and you can learn more about how do you learn this 1-minute technique in the privacy of your home or office that you can help people at such a deep, deep level. This is one of the reasons. You are balancing hemispheres, brain hemispheres, in a way that I've not seen chiropractic do, traditional chiropractic. I've not seen acupuncture do. I've not seen any type of body work, massage, physical therapy do. I've only seen the cranial release technique do this in my experience of doing this for quite a while now. Again, cranialrelease.com is the website. I hope to see you down the road. Feel free to watch this video, share it, talk about it. Feel free to comment below. And I hope to see you down the road. The CRT choice, cranialrelease.com. Dr. Duresti saying, have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Adios, my friends.